sweetness, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you will enjoy today's video. I'm extremely excited about this video because it's a brand I love and actually recently started loving way more because they really provide that street style, boyish sort of fashion which I love. But I'm also showing you some girly items and how to dress them up today. So without further ado, let's jump into this haul and let me show you how to style some amazing brand new Guess items fresh off the shelves. So I thought I'd start with the really beautiful and girly items and then move my way up to the boyish, sort of more my style kind of things. Even though I do like dressing girly, I like dressing the complete opposite as well. And I must say, when I saw this dress hanging in store, I did not realize how beautiful it would actually look. I love the animal print, and it's also got a little bit of a flare. As you walk in it, it kind of flares out, but there's no cuts into the dress. It kind of just flares out in some shades of pink, which is absolutely beautiful. I paired this up with a white sandal heel and also a Guess purse. You'll see in today's video that even though Guess provides a lot of accessories from handbags, shoes, belts and jewelry, I'm focusing more on the clothes today. But this dress looked so stunning on me. It's definitely a dress where hanging just on the shelves doesn't really do it justice because it's absolutely gorgeous. With this dress, I only wore some nipple stickers. I didn't really wear a bra or anything, and I feel like the print kind of disguises it as well. So this dress is actually from the Jennifer Lopez collection. It's a beautiful print. The material is also really gorgeous and the fit is stunning. Even though it's very short, the long sleeves kind of gives it that modest look, and of course you can leave the front section open if you want to show for ladies, or kind of knot it just to hide it a little bit. Once again, I paired this up with a sandal heel shoe and also a Guess handbag. Now this cargo dress absolutely blew me away. There are so many different ways you can style this in. You can dress it up or dress it down. For the first look, I paired it up with a block front and a block heel sandal, which really dresses it up nicely and makes it look girly. But once again, you can also dress this a little bit grungy, still staying a bit girly, but going for that sort of grungy, blocky heel, which is really in fashion right now. And then also added a crossbody satchel, which just kind of gives it that little bit of a grungy look. And then of course you can dress it down and add some sneakers. I use the same Guess handbag I showed earlier, which also comes with a belt, and I actually put it in this part. I actually took this belt off and put it in there, which I think is really cool if you go to a festival and kind of just want to make sure that your purse or handbag and your phone and everything is safe on you, plus it looks super cute. What I also like about it is that it zips all the way down, so you can kind of wear this as a throw over with a cute little top and pants underneath. So many different ways you can style it. I absolutely love the color, I love the fit. It is. Now, you guys know that I love shopping in the boys section. I remember my previous video I also mentioned that. Now, these pants I actually found in the boys section and I am absolutely obsessed. They are Guess original joggers with the beautiful sort of army styled Guess logo at the back, which is the same one as this. I absolutely love it. Once again, these pants actually fit amazing on me, and there are so many different ways you can style them. So I paired these joggers up with this little jean crop top, which is once again such a gorgeous fit. You can open it up a bit more in front or keep it zipped up, and I kind of just paired that with a cross super dry body satchel and some flats with like a gold heel but a pointy front, so it's kind of casual but smart at the same time. For the second look, I actually dressed it up a little bit, so I added some of those grungy block black heels and also a little satchel and open it up a bit more in front. As you can see, it really looks gorgeous. You would almost never say that this is a boy pants. While I was dressed up in that outfit, it kind of just reminded me of the Guess fragrance I actually really love. It's in my top 5 fragrances and it's the Guess Seductive. It's pretty new. I think it was launched last year, just around about December. And what I love about it is the scent is something you can wear with either a casual look or a kind of dressed up look, but the word Guess seductive kind of just matched up with this outfit perfectly. I added some Guess sneakers. Now these sneakers, I don't think they are available in stores anymore, however they do have very similar ones as well. And then of course tie-dye is huge right now, so I threw on this little tie-dye t-shirt and it just gives you this gorgeous little casual outfit which I'm absolutely obsessed with. So these pants are definitely a favorite. Now we're moving into a bit more street style, boyish fashion, which I am completely obsessed with, and Guess really provides the items to make this look happen. So sticking to my cute little tie-dye tee, I actually got these pants in a larger size than usual. What I love about them is really that they kind of have a baggy fit already, but I went for a size 10 because I really wanted to be like extra baggy. And then I paired this up with some white boots and also a little scrunchie in my hair. If you want to go even more street style, this look, I must say, was completely inspired by Korean fashion. Added a little cap which I bought while I was in London, and of course my personalized Guess denim jacket which Guess actually gifted to me last year, and this just really pulls this look together, make it look so high fashion. I am obsessed with this look. Now I think if there's one thing everyone thinks of when they think about Guess, it's definitely their jeans. Their jeans are the perfect fit. The sizes are pretty much universal for all of them. I am a 27, so every time I go and buy a jean, I know I can just pick up a 27 and it will fit me perfectly. So let's start with these high-waisted open button ones in front. I paired this up with some Nike Air Force Ones and a cute little white printed leopard tee. You can knot it in front as well. Once again, super casual, super street style, but super cute. Now these jeans are a bit more of a 3/4 fit. They're also a bit ruffled up in front, as well as the bottom is seamless. Once again, this is a jean that you can dress up in so many different ways. So first of all, the first look, I dressed it down casually and I added this Guess Originals crop top tee. I absolutely love this with this jean, and then of course some Converse sneakers because they kind of go with anything and they make any look casual, fun, boyish, but you can kind of still stick to that girly side of you. Now something I really love about Guess is also their reversible belts. So you buy one belt but you can wear it 2 different ways. On the first look I wore it with the black, and then the second look I'm gonna twist it around, use the brown side, add some brown shoes, add a brown bag, so keep all my accessories kind of the same color, and that just kind of styles it up and makes it look so high fashion and elegant, but at the same time you have that little bit of a street style coming through, and I cannot tell you guys how much I love this. I think if I had to create every single look I had in mind for these Guess jeans, this video will be way too long because there are many different looks that you can create, but these are just kind of my style and the sort of fashion trends that I lean towards. Now last but not least, Guess has got some amazing tie-dye t-shirts, as you've seen the previous little cute tee. Now this one is super oversized. I love wearing these sort of with biker shorts and Converse sneakers, and even once again I went into the jeans section, what's new, and I got this in an extra large, but I love this tie-dye print. It's white but it's not too hectically tie-dyed, and I kind of paired this up with white Nike Air Force, still keeping on my biker pants. Once again, you can also pair this up with like a tennis skirt. You can pair this up with one of these cool jeans. There are so many different styles that you can create with these t-shirts. Now I want to know from you guys, which one was your favorite, which items you like, and which sort of fashion trends you lean more towards. Remember, all of these items I showed you today from Guess are available in stores and also some online. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly love making them, and also let me know which other brand or store I must do next. As always, please like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you're not already, because more videos are coming your way. But until next time, stay sweet. I will talk to you soon.